Hey guys, welcome to my channel Engineer Largi and I am Shanuddin Mukhopadhyay. So guys, today's main agenda is tell me about yourself or what about you. And this is the hot topic for every interview in your future because this is you can say that it is the most favorite question of any of our interviewer. So guys, let's talk about this. Don't skip this video. Watch it full and at the last I will give you some bonus tip of this topic. So guys, let's start this. So guys, today's main topic is tell me about yourself. So first of all, this is the most important question of your interview for technical, for HR, whatever you want to say. And through this question, the interviewer want to know your communication skill, and that's the most important question of your interview. And it is the you can say that it is the first step of your interview because whenever you enter in the room and the interviewer's first question is tell me about yourself or what about yourself. So through this interview there are three agenda, and whichever I call that tell me about yourself formula. So first of all, in this formula there is three parts of this. So first one, what exactly the interviewers want to know. Second one, what is tell me about yourself formula. And the third one is the bonus tip. So after this full video you can know that what is the importance of tell me about yourself, and you can get the most important tips about this question. So don't skip this video. Let's see. So guys, the first point is what is the most important to the interviewer. So in this part there are two subsections. One, what is most important to you, and second, are you fit for this job or not. So the first point is what is the most important to you. So you can say in your interview like that, hi, my name is Shanuddin Mukhopadhyay. I really like to watch Indian Idol. Last night I have seen that ABCD got the first prize and the XYZ got the second prize. Yeah, it's really very hardworking, but it's still okay. But obviously ABC is important and XYZ is also important. But in this moment the job is most important for you, so you have to clarify that first, because you give reason why you are most important for this job and why this job is most important to you. Then the interviewer will decide why they take you in spite of taking that 50% waiting outside. Are you get that? And the second point is, are you fit for this job or not. So that interviewer will watch your body language, your skills and your performance at the time of that interview. Then you get that job. So these points make you bring that tell me about yourself formula. So guys, in this part we will discuss what is tell me about yourself formula. So under this formula, the first one is who you are. So don't use that adjectives like very good, best, perfect. Don't use this. Just make it simple and say this like that. Hi, my name is Shevanti Mukhopadhyay. I am an hardworking engineering graduate specialized in electronics and communication with an overall CGPA 8.02. That's it. It's simple and understanding. And that is the first part of your tell me about yourself formula. So in this topic, tell me about yourself formula also have a second point, that is your accomplishment. So in this accomplishment part, you can add your training, your internship and your workshop details. So you can, what you have learned from this all, you also can add in this topic. So you can say like that, along with my degree I have completed C, .NET, Java, Python, web development, like that, and also the new technologies too. During this training I have learned that I am an team player, and also I have learned how to work with this all in our daily life. It's easy and it's simple too. So let's follow to the bonus tip. So guys, in this part I will give you two bonus tips. First one, you can answer the question how you are fit for this job, and second, some extraordinary points of this. So the first point is how you are fit for this job. So in this case, you can say that the technologies, the skills you know which are going to that company. So at first read that company description very carefully, so you can understand the most important part of this job, why they want you, and why they want the freshers. So you can understand the skills they mentioned in their description, and how your skills are related to this. So first point is this. Go to the second tips of this bonus tip. So the most important thing is your eye contact. Think, if I am talking to you like this, so are you getting my point or not? I think not. So always make a clear eye contact with the interviewer. Second, be confident. Don't be worried. They are not the ghost or not the tiger. They won't eat you. So be confident and give your answer clearly. The second point, you have to be smart. And this is the most important point of your interview. Whatever you answer, if you think it's wrong, just go with that. Don't stop at any point, because it makes your interview very critical. And try to make this interview more talkative. Don't talk like your friends, how you talk with your friends, but make it more interesting, like however I said, because how much you tell about your experiences, the interview goes most interesting, and the interviewer get more interest about you. And the second point, it's the last but not the least point, is at the end of your interview, the interviewer always asks, have you any question or not? Then don't leave this interview like, so no sir, I have no question. Don't say that. You can ask whenever my interview I have done my interview, I have asked to my interviewer that, sir, how Caucasian is survive in this COVID situation? COVID-10, I have said COVID-19 is the hot topic. So guys, you have to clear about the hot topic, because this is the main thing of that company. And last but not the least, read the company details very clearly, because your most interview will be depend on that description. If you not read that, you will face many problems. So don't worry guys, it's too easy. I will make more career videos for you, and the most important interview questions playlist I will make for you guys. So don't miss any video. Just subscribe my video, and subscribe my channel, and also the bell icon next to it, and like this video if you like it, and always comment if you have any query regarding this question. Then I will make more videos like that, and there are including this there are more 9 videos, and I think you all guys like that. So take care guys, bye bye, keep your mask on, save it.